Today's Ferrari is a 1971 246 GT, a Dino coupe as they're affectionately known, and it is absolutely superb. It has been restored, it has no disappointments, and we're gonna take it for a ride. Come on. Okay, here we go. Well, we're gonna do this start on the road test. There's your hot start. She's a lovely Dino. Well, so what can we tell you about this Dino? It has been owned by a good client in the south. It has proper Massini history. It is original colors and matching numbers. It has had an engine rebuild. Whole suspension has been gone through. The brakes have been gone through. It's got only the slightest bit of honest patina, which is the seats, the dash, headliner, which is awesome. But it's one of those few Dino Ferraris that led a charmed life. Ownership history, service history, right on the back road. And I enjoy it thoroughly. It's got a ton of space for luggage, so it's really exceptional for vintage rallies and tours, weekends away. They really are workhorses. They're lovely cars, go karts, they rev with the best of them. Well, here we go on the curvaceous road for our flybys. Let's hope that the mic has been picking everything up. Okay, well, here we are on the farm road, our usual. We're going to go through the gears. First, second. Fifth. Just cruise all day long. Lovely gearing. Well, if you want to go quicker, you just downshift from third. Get on a little bit. Does everything it's supposed to properly. Brakes well and straight as well. So we welcome any questions you may have. And thank you very much for watching yet again. And look at this. Great temps and pressures. Everything is working. Luckily, in a Ferrari 246 GT, there isn't